Reproduction is my function.
ये है पैट्रिक उर्फ पटवर्धन उर्फ पटनायक उर्फ पाठशाला उर्फ पटियाला। लंदन में पला बड़ा है लेकिन कुछ सालों से यहीं बंबई में रहता है। एक सुबह वो मच्छी खरीदने जाता है अपनी एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड शीला की बिल्ली को चुराने। उसी सुबह देवांग ओझा को अपनी नौकरी से निकाला जाता है। देवांग ओझा गुज्जू कंफ्यूज्ड फायर्ड। अब देवांग, पैट्रिक और मोगैम्बो। अरे कौन मोगैम्बो, क्या मतलब? ये मोगैम्बो तीनों पहुंच जाते हैं केडी के घर पे। ये केडी है, 10 दिन से नहाया नहीं है। पहले शहर की सबसे हैपनिंग नाइट क्लब चलाता था, लेकिन क्लब बंद होने के बाद कॉकरोच टॉपिंग्स वाला पिज्जा खा के ऐसी लूथड़ की तरह पड़ा रहता है टीवी के सामने। कॉकरोच तो फिर भी आंख बंद करके खा लेता, लेकिन उससे बिल्ली बर्दाश्त नहीं होती। कैट एलर्जी के बहाने पैट्रिक उसे घर के बाहर ले आता है। क्यों? अरे भाई, इनका हिसाब अलग है। दिन में एक एक पल गिनते हैं, लेकिन सूरज ढलने के बाद तो इनकी लाइफ का गियर बदलता है। देवांग जाता है अपने काका को बैड न्यूज देने और ये दोनों निकलते हैं ज़र्क्सिस की पार्टी अटेंड करने। देवांग कांति काका को बता देता है कि उसे दूसरी कंपनी से ऑफर आया है और यहाँ पार्टी कैंसिल हो जाती है क्योंकि मैल्कम अंकल, ज़र्क्सिस और होशैंग के डैडी वीकेंड खत्म होने के पहले घर लौट आ जाते हैं। लेकिन डरायस दोराबजी अपना दिमाग लगाकर पार्टी शिफ्ट करा देता है मिस्त्री फैमिली की एक 200 साल पुरानी डिस्कार्डेड बंगले पे। केडी को इससे एक बिजार आइडिया सुझता है और अब आगे।
जिंजे जिंजे ದಂಡರೆ ದಾರೆ ದಿಜೆ ದಂಡವಳೆಲೆ ಚಂಬರೆಲೆ ತಗುಲ ಚಕ್ಕತಾರೆ ಬರಸೆ ಎಂದore ಬಲೆ ಜೇರೆ ಇದು ಆರೆಲೆ ತರ ಪುಲಿಲಿನ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟಾ ಒಬ್ಬರದು ಬಲೆ ಸೆ ತಂಬದ್ದ ತಪ್ಪುತಿ ತ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ 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 ಇಂದರೆ ಇಂದರೋ ಇಂಗಿರ್ಗಿ 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 ಆ ಇಂಗಿರ್ಗ 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 ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಆ ಇಂಜಿ ಆ ದಂಡವಳೆಲೆ ಚಂಬರೆಲೆ ತಗುಲ ಚಕ್ಕತಾರೆ ಬರಸೆ ಇಂದರ ಬಲೆ ಚಂಬರೆ ತಾತ ನ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಜಾಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾ ಡೋಡಿ ಆಡಗಲಿ ತಿರಿಗಿಲಿ Bore! Bore! Zumba! 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 Thank you.
Like Rambo, J bodies, we move on. Like Rambo, J bodies, we move on. Like Rambo, J bodies, we break the break, find some fun.
हाँ बाहर आना, 1 मिनट।
ऊपर आना।
अरे यार तेरी बिल्ली है, मैं नहीं आ रहा हूँ।
See, if you've come to apologize for Patrick, I'm really not interested.
यार जस्ट कम ना, 1 मिनट, सेल्स पिच है।
अच्छा रुक, मैं आ रही हूँ। I'm so angry with him, I can't explain.
नो यार, उसको मार डालते हैं यार, just kill the bugger. Once you kill him, you'll feel better.
What was the sales pitch you were talking about?
हाँ. Okay. You remember that place you came to last night?
हाँ.
It's Baba's.
Which one?
Xerxes.
Big house?
Yeah, rich family. So here's what I'm thinking. पूरी इंडिया में रात के 2 बजे जब सारे क्लब्स बंद हो जाते हैं तो लोग कहाँ जाते हैं? कहीं नहीं, घर जाते हैं। कभी कोई आफ्टर पार्टी होती है, कभी हाउस पार्टी होती है, पर ऐसी कोई जगह नहीं जहाँ पर पूरी रात पार्टी चलती है।
What's your point?
My point is कि ये जो बंगला है ज़र्क्सिस की फैमिली का, इसको हम एक ऑल नाइट पार्टी / आफ्टर पार्टी / हैंग आउट बना दे तो प्लेस where the night comes alive. night after night, every night. And यार we'll try all those things जो हमने पिछले क्लब में try किया था. Poets, songwriters, कभी कोई हारमोनियम लेकर आ रहा है, कभी कोई गिटार लेकर आ रहा है, कभी डीजे है, कभी ढोल है, like a place designed for people like us.
चल वो ठीक है यार, but Kid, you know that such places to sustain it's difficult.
हाँ वो डे में बैलेंस हो जाएगा ना.
कैसे?
दिन में मैं वो जगह रेंट पर दे रहा हूँ.
For what?
For anything, auditions, cooking class, yoga class, school choir, whatever.
चल रात को तो मैनेज कर लेगा.
हाँ.
दिन में कौन हैंडल करेगा?
Lying on the side of my bed, listening to the voices in my head, trying to figure out what they say.
Cool है.
I'm telling you यार, epic रहेगा. And I'm thinking we'll have a kitchen also. Not like a full-fledged kitchen यार, थोड़ा छोटा सा menu, not a menu, but you know, a few items यार, like little gourmet type of stuff, you know, थोड़ा plate पर decorate करके, little sushi wooshi, that type of thing. तेरे type का खाना है यार. You can experiment with your food there. Cook तू है. Chef, sorry.
But वहाँ kitchen है?
Think there's a tap. कहीं इसके साथ भी experiment करेंगे. Who's that friend of yours who had come? She had made those blue drinks. What are they called?
Howlers.
Howlers. Yes. Sorry.
So you'll have a bar there.
Yeah.
Is that even legal?
So what exactly is legal? Huh? There is legal, there is illegal, there is well legal, there is paralegal, there is semi-legal, there is quasi-legal. What legal are you talking about?
Excuse, what sort of legal should we?
I spoke to my dad.
Papa,
Nah.
legal.
Legal. Varu. Pachi, what you do is, you take the 83 bus to Bridge Candy, stand in line with your passport outside the America visa office, get yourself a nice visa, off to America and do it nicely in New Jersey. But અહીંયા જોઈએ તો you have to do it not legal, you have to do it the Dorabji legal. You want to know how to do that? Then you ask me.
How do we do that?
હા. નામ શું છે તારા?
Devang.
દેવાંગ? અરે પારસી નથી.
પપ્પા ગુજરાતી છે.
અરે I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
કાંઈ નહીં. Never mind. Next lifetime. After all, we are all descended from Alama and Adamji, you know. But the West calls it Adam and Eve. Everything they have distorted. We are all direct descendants of the Parsis. Our scriptures have been massacred. But anyway, you wanted to know how to do this. So, back in 1973, my best friend Percy and I, we were after the chicks. And really, there was that one girl in the bar. What was her name now? Utoxi. Everything used to jiggle and wiggle when she walked. So we wanted Utoxi, both of us. So how did we go after her? Ask me.
How?
Simple. We bought an ambulance. See, every boy had Lambretta, Herald, scooter. Who had an ambulance? So we bought a third-hand ambulance and we painted it colors every time the moon changed. Can you imagine driving up in an ambulance? Everybody turns to look me. Oh, we were chick magnets. And then Utoxi turned out to have a twin sister. Now, I can't remember her name, but you know, she was a little big, so we used to call her Buttocxi. One day, Utoxi, Buttocxi, Percy and I, we went off to Lonavala. And in the fields there, mark my words, this was the turning point of my career. In the field, we came upon a rooster. Now, I ક્લિયોપેટ્રા કોણ છે? શું કરે છે?
પપ્પા, this is Oshang.
Who?
Oshang, Malcolm's son.
Say hello. Say hello, Oshang.
Do you have movement in your body?
Difficult.
So this rooster, I took one look at it and I knew it contained the spirit of my dead Bapaiji, Alana. And from that moment on, when Bapaiji spoke to me, my career graph changed. She said to me, Coco! And I got the sense of it. Start a chicken farm.
The rooster told you.
Papaji told me this.
Through the rooster.
Namaskar. All your host of heaven or earth, what else shall I couple have? Hold my heart and you my son is grown up and stand all over, bear me strictly up, remember. Go thou for go, while memory holds a seat in this cottage, I will wife we all travel.
मैं जहाँ खड़ा होता है वहाँ लाइन कट होता है. हेलो हेलो.
आपकी मैंने एक्सरे रिपोर्ट देख ली. मैं इस नतीजे पे पहुंचा हूं कि आप
मरने वाले हैं. എൻ്റെ ഓർഡർ 2 പൊട്ടുകടല, 1 പ്രോൺസ്, 1 ചിക്കൻ കറി, 2 ബീഫ്, 1 ചൈനീസ് ആൻഡ് അഡ്രസ് 1 ദുബായ് റോഡ്, ദുബായ്.
No survival, no chance of survival. दुनिया की कोई ताकत आपको चाहे कोई भी कुछ कर ले, आपको कोई नहीं बचा सकता.
Places where they do not welcome liquid. And the business took off. And then, several months later, Alamai spoke to me again. But this time, you know what the rooster said?
No.
Yes. Then, hello, Sleeping Beauty, wake up. Chal, go back to sleep. Now comes the dramatic moment.
Welcome back. Hold my heart and you my son we grow not and stand all up but bear me strictly up, remember the order. While memory all let me settle down that one was smile and bear. Uncle there are you not my was said you very
Percy went hunting high and low. The best goat possible. And you know where we went?
Switzerland.
Switzerland માં goats છે કે? Sheep છે Switzerland માં.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka provides fast bowlers. Finally, we found it in Pakistan. And that's where we met a specialized goat dealer, Ahmed.
Bless you.
Who?
Ahmed.
Papa, stop coughing. Just say the name, no.
Ahmed!
मेरी आवाज सुनने वाले मेरे भाई और बहनों को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार. आइए अब करें सेक्स की बात. Rubbish! Fail! Reject!
So, I hope you've understood the depth of what I've been saying. To be successful in business, you start with chickens, you move on to goats, you keep a shotgun under your pillow, and you end in an ambulance. Wow, 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 wow.
हाय एवरीबॉडी ये है मेरा बांजा राकेश हाय बोलो सबको या से हाय टू एवरीबॉडी राकेश हेलो राकेश hey Rax hey get up man hey come on Hey, Rax! Roxy! Say hi to everybody, man. Just once. One time, baby. Please. Hey, man, please get up now. Get up, Roxy! Come on! Get up, man, get up! Come on, yaar, Rakesh, come on! This is not fair. Rakesh, you can't leave me.
Ragda patties.
Rugger patties. That's like that kind of thing, which is this
Patties.
Yes, patties. Thank you. One sec.
Listen, I was thinking, what if we moved in here?
In this building?
Yeah. I mean, I feel like we'll get more done, you know, and save money as well.
Yeah. Okay. It's a good idea.
Cool.
But there is one condition.
What's that?
You've got to help me out during the day. Like managing this place, it's really exhausting me.
Yeah, of course, man.
And the other thing is, that guy, right, DeMello, he's a psychopath. Like I wouldn't be surprised at the weekends if he goes home and kidnaps children and eats them for dinner. Yeah. That room, my God, it's really strange. It's odd. It's frightening me. You know? He's really strange. Freaks me out. You got to help me with him.
No, dude, listen, DeMello's yours, man. But yeah, we'll split everything else.
Okay.
Also, I was thinking, you know that room in the back, the one with the tap. So what if we like put some shelves and cabinets in there? You know, maybe a counter. There's already a tap, so we could get a sink. I don't know, man. You're like working in the heat all day, so maybe a fridge.
Yeah, I think they call it a kitchen.
Kitchen.
Yeah, kitchen.
So wait, if we have a kitchen, then we could probably have a menu as well, right?
Yeah.
I mean, not like a full-fledged menu, but bruschetta, sushi, that kind of thing.
Fair enough, but the thing is, if you want a more kind of sophisticated menu, you're going to have to find someone who can do it, like a culinary expert, someone who's trained, someone who has taste, you know, someone who really knows their stuff in the kitchen, like someone who is a... Oh, God. You haven't, have you? You haven't done it, please. You have. KD, listen, yeah. Dude, come on, man. What have I told you about her? I can't work in the same building as her, you know? She's a nightmare. I can't. Why do you think I broke up with her? You don't know her like I do. You think at the beginning it's all fun and games, like she's all sweet and it's hugs and kisses, fluffy bunny rabbits and rainbows and meadows. But in 2 months' time, she becomes Sheila, yeah? And Sheila is a nightmare. She's crazy. She's just mad. She's just like, she's completely... She's in the building, isn't she? Thank you. Yeah.
Dude, Patties. Hey, Patties, ruk na. Baby, I'll let you bring a cat into my house. Shoot.
This isn't gonna work.
Oh, that's a surprise. It's not going to work. Something isn't good enough for Sheila. Oh, this kitchen isn't good enough, Katie. That's interesting. What should we do? Should we change the longitude and latitude of this building in order to...
You cannot talk to me like that, Patrick. Stay out of this. You cannot talk to me like that.
Oh, I'm sorry, because now this room is your jurisdiction. It means that I need permission from you in advance if I want to breathe or scratch my ass. Is that...
You don't have the nerve to talk to me like that. Just stay out of this, Katie. You have the nerve to talk to me like that after all that you've done to me?
This is what you have to expect, Katie. This is what you're going to have to put up with.
I will punch you in the face, Katie. One last time. Stay out of this. You stopped calling. You walked out on me, and you even stole Mugambo!
I didn't steal your cat, Sheila. I borrowed Mugambo for 2 hours. I returned him. He was fine. I don't even like your stupid cat, yeah?
Mugambo's not a stupid cat, Patrick.
I'll be perfectly honest with you, Sheila. Mugambo is a prick.
You're a prick, Patrick!
Please, bakwas band karo tum dono. I don't care what's happened with the two of you. I care, guys. I care very deeply, okay? But right now, can you please just resolve this tension, yaar? I don't need you to like each other. I just need you to be able to stay in the same room together for 10 minutes without wanting to stab each other in the kidney. हद होती है यार, रायता फैलाना बंद करो ना. I'm giving you 10 minutes, both of you. Just say whatever the hell you have to each other. Do whatever it takes and fix this. I mean, I have to take this, okay? By the time I'm done, just behave.
So what?
हाँ देवा बोल.
मैं वो लाइसेंस का फाइंड आउट किया.
हाँ.
अपने को ना बेसिकली पहले एक एम्बुलेंस खरीदना पड़ेगा.
एम्बुलेंस? क्यों?
फिर एक ब्रॉयलर चिकन का दुकान खोलना पड़ेगा और एक गोट में इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा.
किस लिए?
फिर एक शॉटगन का रिक्विजिशन देके शॉटगन भी लेना पड़ेगा.
शॉटगन, बंदूक.
और वो जो बकरी है ना उसको वो पाकिस्तान से मंगवाना पड़ेगा.
ये क्या सब बोल रहा है? मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
एक्चुअली मेरे को भी कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. एक चाय पीता हूँ, समझता हूँ, तेरे को फोन करता हूँ.
एक्सक्यूज मी, ये बीआरएस का कुकिंग क्लास कहाँ पे आता है? कुकिंग क्लास?
Hey, how you been?
Patrick was just helping me. I mean, in the kitchen. By the way, I have to tell you, the taste is awesome. The filth on the wall and the dirty windows. I can make it work. What I'm saying is that I'll be your cook.
Chef.
What?
You'll be my chef. You don't like it when I call you.
Okay. Chef, cook, it's the same thing. What I'm saying is, I'll set this place for you. What? And the dirty windows. I just love the kitchen. I'll set this place for you. What? Bye.
Yeah, hey. What's up?
छोटू, इधर आ. बैठ. बैठ. साले, क्या चाय बनाया तू? इस चाय के साथ शादी करना चाहता हूं. नहीं, शादी दूसरे कब से करूं? She'll be my तवाइफ. ये मेरी रखेल बनेगी। रखेल समझते? स्विट्जरलैंड ले जाऊंगा इसको, न्यूयॉर्क में पेंट हाउस, यॉट, हीरे जवाहरात दूंगा इसको। तो डाला क्या इसमें? गांजा,
लेमन ग्रास।
लेमन ग्रास? क्या वाकड़ा बनाया है। और क्या डालता चाय में?
जिनसिंग।
जिनसिंग? उधर क्या है?
चीनी।
फ्रेम।
लाइसेंस।
भाखड़े का लाइसेंस दिखा ना। असली है? झोल से बनाया ना? कौन बना के दिया?
एक बंदा है।
फास्ट है? नंबर है क्या उसका? स्मॉल वर्ल्ड समझता तू? स्मॉल वर्ल्ड। जा खेल। भाई सॉर्ट आउट हो गया सब।
क्या मिल गया लाइसेंस?
ये लाइसेंस नहीं मिला लेकिन सॉर्ट आउट हो गया सब।
क्या क्या सॉर्ट किया बताना।
अरे आके बताता हूँ ना भाई।
अरे पर
चलो।
पता नहीं क्या करते रहता है यार।
जल्दी स्कोर क्या है?
64।
300 चाहिए भाई।
दूसरा देखो।
Come on, coconuts, nutrients, soak them in, coconuts. You know, coconut is a Parsi fruit, invented by Baba. Coconut. Kobat kawas nariyal wala. Coconut. Well, why do we have so many coconuts? What are we going to do with it?
What is the ultimate purpose of us Homo sapiens?
Homo sapiens.
Homo sapiens. What is the ultimate purpose?
Reproduction.
Omelette.
Egg omelette.
तू कढ़ाई में अंडा फोड़ा, उसमें तू कांदा डाला, मिर्ची डाला, धनिया डाला, चीज डाला. Then comes the moment of truth. The flip. When you flip, there's splatter, splash, ghan. Then you look at your omelette and you think, what is more important? Protocol or purpose? What is the purpose? Hunger. So you take your chamcha and you make a भुर्जी.
ये कोकोनट का भुर्जी बनाने का है?
नो. नारियल पानी में से पानी गया तो बचा क्या?
नारियल.
ग्लास जिसमें ड्रिंक का कलर नहीं दिखता.
तो लाइसेंस का जरूरत नहीं है?
है ना. कोकोनट लाइसेंस.
सब बोलना यार देवांग. पापा ने फोन आप. हाँ पापा ऊंचा हूँ. We don't want the ambulance, huh? He says he doesn't want it. Broiler's fine. Yeah. 1 minute. Broiler भी cancel. पापा नहीं. हाँ पापा, broiler भी cancel. हाँ, okay, bye. अच्छा पापा, boat has left now from Pakistan. It'll be here in 2 days.
अरे वो बोट भी कैंसिल है.
We can't cancel. We have never cancelled.
तो तू रख ले. Keep it as a pet. We'll name him बिरयानी.
क्या यार देवांग. हेलो. तो पप्पा ने आपने वो लाफो मारे ने तारी डोरी उड़ीनो कने गाल पे चिटकी जैसे. पप्पा. पापा गोट भी कैंसिल. Everything cancel यार. No, Batley we want. अरे my heart will stop beating. Batley we want पापा. Yeah. See, नारियल पानी में से नारियल निकाल देगा तो क्या बचेगा? पानी. तो पानी दे दो ना, हम ग्लास वापरेगा करना. हाँ. See, what is the ultimate aim in life? Is omelette.
Score?
65.
Osha.
Come on. He's having. Come on, Osa.
Xerxes, coconut was invented by Parsis or?
Solitary attachments, solitary lives, singular signals in isolated minds. She says the words in time, a mouthful of reason. Help us go blind. Can you hear them scream every day?
We fled from Persia. We left in 7 boats.
All of you fit in 7 boats?
Comfortably. Out of that, in a storm, 2 of them got lost. Our GPS stopped working.
This is 16th century, huh?
Yes. Then we came and we were taking wrong turns here and there, and we finally landed in this place. And we are looking and we are saying, this does not look right. This is not England. Then we learned it was Gujarat. But we are very adapting people. So we started teaching everyone how to talk, how to behave. You see, because Parsis are very cultured, sophisticated, and handsome people. So we were there for a couple of years. Then we looked at our watch, Rolex.
This is all 16th century.
And we said, hurry, it is time to go to Bombay. When we reached Bombay, we thought of developing Bombay. But as
So
I mentioned
fucking
earlier,
wicked.
we are generous. So we said we will develop the whole world at a stretch. So we started exporting human beings. We sent Parsis from here abroad to lead people. First president of America, Parsi.
George Washington.
Chacha! Jijibhai Wadia.
George Washington.
Osa! Who was the first president of America? Jijibhai Wadia. Saw that? Bana, drink bana.
Correct.
Current president of America?
Obama.
Bahman Aulia ji. From Surat. Good looking man. No? Bald. Shining. Chalo,
What is
patlao.
Osama's real name?
He's not a Parsi. No.
No?
No chance. I would have known, no? Done? Mystery family. Regal. Illustrious. And?
Handsome.
Handsome. Nak mati angli kor. Muku kan?
क्या देख रहे हैं हम लोग?
अरे आप तो जानती हैं कि हमारे यादव जी कितने सज्जन इंसान हैं। हाँ, खानदानी आदमी है, उनका एक खानदानी घर भी है। अब समझिए कि दिवाली आ रही है, तो वो हर दिवाली पे खुद नए कपड़े पहने ना पहने, उस घर को ज़रूर पुतवाते हैं, वो भी अलग अलग रंगों से। जी हाँ, जी हाँ, हाँ 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 हाँ। बाकी तो सिंपल फंडा है कि एक बार अगर आपका पार्सल राइट टेबल पे पहुंच गया है, तो फिर आपकी फाइल जो है ना, वो काउंटर टू काउंटर, टेबल टू टेबल, करेक्ट टेबल पे पहुंच जाती है और आपके काम का दी एंड हो जाता है, मतलब काम पूरा हो जाता है।
हर्षद देखिए, जो आपका कॉन्सर्ट है ना, वो आज नहीं होता है।
सर 6 महीने पहले कंफर्म किया था, टीवी पे एड्स चालू हुए, रेडियो स्पॉट्स चल रहा है, 8-10 हज़ार लोग आने वाले हैं। आज सुबह आप कैसे बोल सकते हैं कि नहीं होगा?
देखिए, आपका जहाँ कॉन्सर्ट होने वाला था ना आज, वहाँ पे कल सुबह नॉर्थ ईस्ट हैंडीक्राफ्ट एग्जीबिशन।
सर वहाँ पे तो स्टेज लगाया है।
हाँ, कितना अच्छा स्टेज लगाया आप लोगों ने, बताइए। कितनी हेल्प कर रहे हैं हमारे जितने इंजीनियर्स हैं, इंची टेप ले लेके एक एक कोना नाप रहे हैं। अभी तो बहुत तैयारियां करनी है वहाँ पे, झालर लगानी है, फूल लगाने हैं, पूरा स्टेज सजाना है हमें, लॉट्स ऑफ वर्क।
आपको पार्सल भी दिया?
तो फीस है ना मेरी। आप समझे नहीं, देखिए मैं बताता हूँ। देख, अगर आज आपका कॉन्सर्ट हुआ ना, तो कल हमारी एग्जीबिशन नहीं हो पाएगी, और अगर कल हमारी एग्जीबिशन नहीं हो पाई तो आपको पता है क्या होगा?
क्या क्या?
खून खराबा, कत्लेआम मच जाएगा, घंटों गोलियां चलेंगी, तलवारें खिंच जाएंगी, खून की नदियां बह जाएंगी। पता है आपको? अरे देश के 2 टुकड़े हो जाएंगे आपके चक्कर में। भारत का नक्शा उठाएंगे ना, नॉर्थ ईस्ट गायब। ऐसे विश्व युद्ध यहीं से स्टार्ट होगा, इसी टेबल से। आप लोग जिम्मेदार होंगे उसके, आप लोग। यहीं से स्टार्ट होगा। हाँ यार, एक मिनट होल्ड कर। देखिए, आपका जो कॉन्सर्ट है वो गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया पे तो आज हो नहीं सकता, लेकिन अगर आपको आज ही कॉन्सर्ट कराना है तो आप इंडिया गेट पे करा लिए।
इंडिया गेट तो दिल्ली में।
हाँ हाँ, वही दिल्ली वाला इंडिया गेट। अरे सुन यार, कितनी बार तुमसे कहा है कि अगर 3 लोग पंचायत कर रहे होते हैं फोन पे तो कौन कॉल लगाते हैं यार? तुमको अब अंगूठा पकड़ के सिखाना पड़ेगा यार, लीचड़ गंवार। इतना ही नहीं पता तुम्हें? बड़े भैया के लोग। क्या है?
पार्सल।
हाँ 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 यार।
Face Fest? Gateway of India?
Yeah.
Cancelled.
What?
Oh, so let's have it here now. An all-night party, you've got music, you've got dancing. How would you get licenses for that?
Dude, I can't see
Face Fest just got cancelled and is happening here.
ब्लू में लिखा है, ब्लैक में लिख, और डबल लाइन में आना होता, उसके ऊपर ही लिख।
ये वाला।
बाकी ट्राई नहीं करना? I have no clarity as in what's happening between us. What are we doing together?
We're having Bruno Muscar and chai and we're hanging out.
हाँ बोलो ना साहब, क्या खाओ?
है क्या? कुमड़ी बड़े, हिंगा, जवला, मालूम नहीं कुछ है?
Don't you think this will fall?
No, mad or what? Hey, these guys are Selva Ganesh and company, rocking architects, dude. I mean, right now it's just bamboos and all, but like there'll be DJ and equipment and strobes and lights, and it'll be killer, man.
And we move on.
What on earth are you trying to do? Can't you see that her lips are blue? Can't you see that she was way too old? Her joints were stiff and now her skin is cold. I'm not gonna hide the joy I feel inside. And if you only had your head on straight, you'd celebrate too. Let her body decompose while the grass above her grows. Make sure everybody knows that she's no more. I won't even give a sigh. I don't wanna hear a lie about how good she was. Don't cry for the old horn.
Brought to you by Aristoff Music CDs. Bring on the night.